Hello, I have a Magnum S-45 today. This is for Chris in California. It's a tune-up report. Up here on the swap meter, Chris, we got 30 watts across the bottom scale there. Got the power all the way up. Come right in about 16 there. Peak power on a 100 watt slug, be reading across the bottom. There's 80 watts right there.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2.
Alright, and I didn't show you low power. Let's put it on low power. Turn it down. And you see low power goes way below 1. I wish I could limit it to like 2. That's where I like it.
Yeah. Check, check, check.
Okay. Alright, let's check it out on sideband. Turn this down. Looking at the 100 watts again. Audio. Turn the power up. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. And FM. Let me change the slug in there. We'll put in a 50. It's about 30 watts of sideband. 30 watts of FM. Sorry about that. I wonder if I get a radio check on 19.
I think I can give you a radio check, but I might have to start charging.
I appreciate it, thank you. You must live down the street.
You got it.
What's your handle? What's your handle there, neighbor? Okay.
I figured that out yet.
Well, then what's your name?
My name is James.
Alright, James, they call me Screwdriver over here at Bell CB. Thank you for the radio check. You have a fine one. Have a good night. Drive safe. We'll see you. Bye, bye, bye.
Thanks, man. You helped me out with my truck.
10-4.